Hi, I'm Zach Carter, and I am teaching intensified geometry this year. A little bit about me. I went to the College of Worcester, a small school in Ohio. I went to graduate school at University of Virginia. I have 2 kids and a dog. Older son is Teddy, and daughter is Abby. I'm a big fan of the Washington Nationals and the Pittsburgh Steelers. Geometry curriculum is is pretty standard. It's on my Canvas page as well as through the Arlington Public Schools website. Geometry students will build upon the skills they learned in algebra and learn how to use proofs in mathematics. We have 13 different units of study, although the 13th unit, constructions, is sprinkled throughout. The focus of the middle chunk of the year is triangles. Beginning of the year, we're focused on that intro to geometry, working on building how to write a proof. And then at the end of the year, we move into quadrilaterals. We do cover some trigonometry. We use the IB grading policy at TJ. Students should be familiar with this by now. The 4 different criteria are A, B, C, and D. A, knowledge and understanding, that's really a traditional test. With criterion B in geometry, we focus on, criterion B in geometry, it's investigating patterns. That's really the one that I find most students struggle with because they are exploring a topic rather than kind of using what they've learned to solve problems. Criterion C is going to be mostly proofs in geometry, and then criterion D is applying the math in real-life contexts. My Canvas homepage looks pretty standard. The different units are down the middle of the page. On the left side is my teacher contact information, and everything is organized in there. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I look forward to working with your student this year.